Let's face it, you're tired of investing in expensive hardware and software for your business. You want access to powerful computing resources without breaking the bank. I've heard it all before. And guess what? There is a solution out there to solve it all for you. Hi, I'm Matt, the founder and CTO of Spring Digital. Cloud computing provides businesses with cost savings, scalability, flexibility, and accessibility, making it a game changer for businesses of all sizes. And in this video, we'll be discussing how it can transform your business. Let's start by looking at some of the main benefits of cloud computing for businesses. The financial benefit is usually the first thing that gets most people's attention. With cloud computing, businesses can pay for the resources they need on a pay-as-you-go basis, which can save them money and provide cost predictability. Additionally, cloud computing can scale up or down to meet changing demand, ensuring that businesses have the resources they need when they need them at the right price. This means that businesses can avoid the costly investment in IT infrastructure that might go unused and only pay for what they actually use, allowing them to allocate their resources effectively and focus on growing their business. Another key benefit of cloud computing is reliability. Cloud service providers typically offer high levels of uptime and reliability, meaning that businesses can access their data and applications whenever they need them. Cloud providers invest heavily in infrastructure to ensure that their services are available 24/7, and they often have redundant systems in place to prevent downtime. This means that businesses can operate with confidence, knowing that their data and applications are secure and always accessible. Additionally, many cloud providers offer service level agreements that guarantee a service level of uptime, providing businesses with additional peace of mind. Now, let's look at some real-world use cases. There are a lot of applications for cloud computing in the current business world. The four most common applications are: number one, data storage and backup to keep data secure and always available. Number two, software programs that we know and love like Office, Word, Facebook and Instagram, and even e-commerce platforms like Amazon. Number three, CRMs to help us keep track of our customer data. And number four, business intelligence and analytics systems to deliver insights to help us make more informed decisions. Beyond these use cases, cloud computing also covers high-performance computing, or HPC, used for complex tasks like simulations, data analysis, and scientific research. Machine learning and artificial intelligence systems also fall into this category. Of course, with any technological solution, security and compliance are a concern. While most cloud service providers take extensive measures to ensure security and privacy of their customers' data, you'll need to make sure you do your checks prior to engaging with a provider. Additionally, many cloud service providers have obtained industry standard certifications, such as SOC 2 and ISO 27001, to demonstrate their compliance with industry standards. These are great credentials to look out for. Cloud computing ultimately provides numerous benefits to business, including cost savings, scalability, flexibility, accessibility, and improved security. By adopting cloud computing, businesses can access powerful computing resources whilst avoiding the need to invest in expensive hardware and then maintaining it. If you're interested in adopting cloud computing for your business, be sure to research your options carefully and follow best practices for its adoption. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more content just like this. Till next time.